Hello, this is duntov. So today, as you can see, I'm at the Hard Rock site. I'm across the street at the Venetian. So it is Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. So I want to show over here, we can see that they're using the concrete pump right now. I haven't seen them using this on the tower part before. We did see that they had the pump extension up there, but I've never here when they're using it. So let's zoom in and see if we could see. We're actually going down here. Or is that where it's coming up from? Try to figure this out here. So you can see the arm. Alright, so that looks like that's where it comes out of right there. I'm just trying to figure out, I can't see them working anywhere unless they're just down in here. Can't see. All right, so today I originally went to the old Tropicana site to get the A's, to show the A's construction, the ballpark. And when I got to the Oyo, security kicked me out of the parking deck. And they say you're not allowed to film up there, so I asked about how I could get clearance, and they said they won't give any clearance. So for now, I'm not able to get on the parking deck. I'll try to figure out some way to get back up there, but right now I'm shut out of there. So I did go around the property for about an hour, but really not much to see, you know, from the ground level. So I'll be working on that, trying to get better views. But if you do want to see the site right now, if you do the athletics ballpark camera, you can see the progress. So check that out. That's if you go to my last video that I was out there, I think it was last Friday, you could check out the live cam there. I have a link in the in my description of the video. If you open the video, and then it's in like where I could write stuff, so there's a link in there. All right, so we can see they're lifting stuff up here. So these levels go pretty quick now. Seems like every 2 weeks or so we have a new level that went up. Alright, I'm just gonna look around. We'll see what we can find on this build here. Alright, so actually getting back to the Tropicana site, the tower crane is completely built. I did get notification from one of the workers on the crane that they did complete building it on last Friday, and Monday, yesterday, they were supposed to get a load test done on it to see if, you know, passes all the inspections. So I haven't heard if it did get the test, but they weren't using it yesterday or today when I was there. Someone did get in it and move it around a little bit, but nobody was, you know, they weren't lifting anything yet. So I'll try to get out there by the end of this week and Might have to get my pocket 3 and we're just gonna go up over the walls to look at everything. Alright, if you saw my update last week on the Hard Rock, they did have a pile of debris that was in this area, and it looks like it's all cleaned up now. We can see one. Oh no, it's still back there behind the excavator, some of it. You can see it right there. So I do remember they had like a lower building here. I'm assuming then that must be it. I didn't even think of that. So you have that building there, and then there was something that came out this way. If you remember, they had like that walkway in there where there were the other restaurants and stuff, and so that must be that part of the building. Look at this back tower crane. It's swinging back over, and we can see how what they were bringing up a little bit ago, now they put this, you know, it looks like just like these construction tubs. I'm not sure what the proper language is, but they're bringing something back down in this container. Okay, we're getting some kind of delivery here. It's right behind. You can see Siegfried and Roy Drive right there. Sorry for the shake, I'm just zoomed in so far. Could those be more forms? I don't know what they are, but we can see over here all the rebar cages that are getting built. Okay, we can see they're offloading these off of this semi here. This might be the same thing it was just on this other truck. They're actually driving back that way. Yeah, if I had to guess, they look like more forms. Alright, I'm going to move on down more. We'll see if we could get any better views. Right now it's about, what time is it? 7:58. Okay, I just moved down a little. We got, this front tower crane was just moving a little bit, but now he stopped. He has nothing on the end of the cable there. But it does look like they're putting in the, you can see the forms around these rebar cages up here. And we have a couple people working on them right there. Here's the concrete pump again. Okay, we can see this form here. It looks like it's not fully in place yet. It looks a little bit crooked. Unless that's an optical illusion. But it looks like it's a little crooked compared to this other one that these other two people are working on. But then this one also looks like it's not fully in place, so I don't know if it's the form or if it's the rebar. Maybe it's the rebar has to be moved over. Actually looks more like the rebar, like it's just laying over a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna look back over where they had all that debris down here. So we can see all this pile here. And then if we look over against the building, this is, remember it had like a lower building that went towards this wall, so that's all gone. Still got old Mirage sign there, do not enter. Again, sorry for the shake. There we go. Alright, some more stuff coming out. Okay, I just moved down some more here. This is pretty much the most straight on shot we could get. So both of the cranes right now, they're not using. You can see both cables on them just sitting there, so I'm not getting to see anything lifted into place. You can see in the back there, crane one, the west crane. So that's the one, crane one's the one I've been calling the back crane. You remember, for a while I was calling them crane one, crane two, and I kept confusing myself. So front and back crane is what I started using, but crane one is the west crane. That's, you know, a little bit west of the front one here. Okay, so we got this big platform he's on. Is this something they use for maybe each level of flooring? It looks like he's putting up the safety fencing around it. Alright, looks like they just finished the rebar cage on the ground here. They're moving it out of the way. Looks like they're taking it around to the other side. Still trying to figure out if they're pumping. We could see the end of the concrete pump going right by where that worker is. But it doesn't seem like anyone's like moving anything around, so not sure. It's just amazing how much, just look at all those forms up for the walls, for the columns. Just each level just keeps more and more. Yeah, I guess that's all we got for today. It looks like, you know, the main work today is getting the forms around these rebar cages on this next level. So if you're not subscribed and you'd like to get updates on the progress of the Hard Rock build, please give me a subscribe at Raiders1967. Get updates on this build as well as of the athletics stadium. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and I will talk with you guys next time.